No-cost solar installation, Cape Coral, Florida, 239-977-9277. Thank you for checking out this video about no-cost solar installation Cape Coral, Florida in Cape Coral. Call us today if you want solar panel installation for your house or company. Our contact number is 239-977-9277. We are available to assist you with installations and repair services of solar panels. In addition, today we are going to learn more about no-cost solar panels. Are they truly free? For the most part, free solar panels or no-cost solar panel installation are actually not free. They are part of a third-party ownership arrangement. That is, a solar company will own the panels, and you will lease them from the company. While these offers might seem excellent, they do have their disadvantage. The drawback is that you'll have to pay a regular monthly payment to lease the panels. There are also escalator clauses that can increase the cost without warning. Fortunately is that the majority of credible solar panel companies offer funding choices to help you stay clear of spending for the initial installation and design. Several companies, such as the one we recommend in the description, have zero down funding options. However, you'll need to do a lot of research study prior to choosing which option is best for your house. You can get info about the local incentives provided by your utility, along with the programs available at your state or local level. Likewise, consult your regional BBB. Solar panel leases, how to go solar with less upfront cost. Solar leases allow people to go solar with less upfront expense. These are long-term agreements that are normally a couple of years in length. Usually, the payment will be the same as the month-to-month electrical power bill. However, there are times when the solar lease will be more pricey than buying the solar panels outright. The upfront costs of going solar panels can be low, particularly if you qualify for a federal solar tax credit. You can likewise save money on interest by using a loan, but you will need to make regular monthly payments. No matter your financing choice, you will need to monitor the performance of your solar panels. There are two kinds of solar finance choices: leasing and a power purchase agreement. A solar lease is an agreement where you commit to making periodic once-a-month payments. It is typically for at least 15 years. In addition to a fixed payment, you will also pay for the installation, efficiency monitoring, and upkeep of your solar panels. When acquiring a solar power system, you will really need to decide if you want to buy the system straight out or sign a solar lease. Leasing is a fantastic option for individuals who do not have a great deal of cash to invest or who are not certain that their home will be their forever home. Numerous companies have provisions that allow you to purchase your system outright at the end of the solar lease. Nevertheless, this is a tough and slow-moving procedure. Depending on your credit rating, you might not have the ability to buy out your solar lease early. Trying to find free solar panels? Try financing your system with a solar loan instead. If you're wanting to purchase a solar panel system, it's a great plan to check out solar loans. These loans are offered by solar companies. By doing this, you can find a loan that meets your needs and can save you cash. The very best loan is one that provides a zero down payment. You can also compare quotes from various providers to discover the right offer for your budget plan. A solar panel calculator can really help you determine how much your solar energy system will cost and how it will save you on your utility bill. This tool considers your roof structure size and local weather. It also includes the sum of federal tax credit you're eligible for. In addition to solar loans, you may want to consider a house equity line of credit, HELOC. HELOC is a type of credit that works in the same manner to a charge card. When you use the line of credit, you can withdraw money as required. However, the rates of interest may be higher than other types of solar loans. Lower your upfront cost with federal and local solar incentives. Getting your house solar panel system is a terrific method to help in reducing your energy costs. In addition, you can also take advantage of a federal tax credit and refunds to reduce the upfront expense of installing a solar energy system. These energy cost savings can range from a couple of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. However, before you invest in a solar power system, be sure to take a look at the benefits available in your area. No cost solar installation, Cape Coral, Florida, 239-977-9277.